Hello and welcome to a brand new video upload. Before I talk about the video itself and the map and all that kind of stuff, I just want to say big thank you to Shawiya Tunis. Go and support Shawiya Tunis. He's the one who helped me. He's the one who made this possible, this map possible. He's the one who helped me to make this map. So go down on the comment section and click on that link. It transfers you to his Facebook page where you can go and like his page, Shawiya Tunis. Here you can see on the map where people are located and their accents. So on the old map, I really thought about only the Shawi, Zenati, and Tarag. So the old map doesn't show you everything. This is a complete map with all the accents in Tunisia, the Amazigh accents. So the previous video I uploaded will be deleted because the Tarag map is too huge and it's wrong. So this is the correct map. I'm not gonna speak much longer. I'm just gonna, let you look at this map for once without me talking. But please do share this video, please, because we want really want people to know about the Amazigh in Tunisia. It's very important. So thank you very much for coming, and I love you very much, everybody, for subscribing and supporting me. Thank you very much. See you in the next video.